Hi, it's Richard here from the OPA Hub website with the fifth in our series of What's New in May 2017 edition of Oracle Policy Automation. We're still looking at our simple rule base with its simple interview, and with this time we're going to deploy a snapshot in order to be able to discuss the new interview embedding feature. So I'm going to deploy this rule base in the normal fashion to my OPA Hub, which I have over here, and I'm going to show you that there is now a new menu item on the Actions menu, where in order to facilitate cross-origin scripting, we can add host names to be authorized so that we don't encounter any execution problems when we embed our rule base in an external website. These hosts are valid for all of the deployments on this OPA Hub. It is not specific to a particular rule base. So this is the web page that I've created for my alternative origin website. You'll see that I have 3 links to the infrastructure, 2 style sheets and a JavaScript file. And down here I have something that will be very familiar to a lot of jQuery fans. I have an empty div, which is then populated through the use of a call to the OPA embedded API and the start interview method, passing in the div. And let's see what this looks like when we run it in our website. And as you can see, that the interview is now firmly embedded in this web page. If I switch into user mode, you'll see the functionality is perfectly okay. And what I'll do is I'll just click next. However, just because it works first time, there may still be a few issues. So I'm going to check that the PDF can download. Yes, it can. But I'm also going to open the developer console of the browser, just to highlight that you may indeed have, like I have, badly created HTML where you have multiple hosts involved. So where I have here in my console a couple of error messages involving a particular web server, I'm going to go back to my OPA Hub application, and I'm going to add this particular host to my authorized list. See, you get to debug it live with me. There we go. Let's save and apply that. I'll return to my website, refresh the page, hard reload. Now, not a single issue in sight in my console, no cross-origin issues. I'm able to use the interview from start to finish. And for one final touch, after I've finished the interview, I'm going to do something that I've been longing to do for a very long time. I'm going to open up the developer console again, and I'm going to find, using Control F, I'm going to search for iframe, and I'm going to get the answer, there isn't one. Something I think that a lot of us have been waiting to hear for a long time. That's it. See you soon for another video from the OPA Hub.